Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you one of the fastest ways to get a working mobile app prototype using Bravo Studio's Figma plugin, something most people don't know about or don't use enough. It can really speed things up, especially in the early stages, getting your front-end ready, testing real interactions, and seeing it live on your phone. Let's see how to go from zero to a working app prototype with login, paywall, and navigation in just about 10 minutes. So here I start from a blank Figma file and open the Bravo Studio plugin. Inside you will find full template apps. In this case I'm picking one that already includes things like a paywall, login, sign up, a full home, detail, settings, all these screens that will make my app complete. Now I just copy it, paste it on my file, and in seconds I got a complete app design ready to customize. Let's take a quick look inside. There's a splash screen, login screen, sign up, a logo, subscription pages, and a home list with details, and much more. Everything is structured cleanly, so it's easy to adapt to whatever app you're building. Now, what I'll do is I'll rebrand it using my quick style guide that I created. I changed things like the main color to my gradient, update the typography to Inter, swap the images for calmer, wellness style photos, and adjust some text to match the new concept for a wellness app. A few edits and it already feels like a completely different product. Next, I open the Bravo tagger inside the plugin to add advanced interactions, transitions, animations, and navigation. For example, I tag the splash screen with a dissolve transition and the home to detail flow with a slide up effect. Then I use the tag checker to validate everything. If something's wrong, it will flag it up. And yeah, super helpful for debugging before import. That's it. I can import the file into Bravo Studio. I open Bravo Vision on my phone, and the app is ready to test with real navigation, animations, and my own branding. This whole flow from Figma template to working prototype takes about 5, 10, 15 minutes maybe, and it's one of the simplest ways to bring your app idea to life fast.